Hi everyone, it's me, your fitness girl Abigail. Welcome back to my channel. So this is not going to be like my other videos. No, it's not going to be a vlog. It's not gonna be a fashion video. Well, it's gonna be my room tour video. But in my room tour, you will get many things to discover in my room. Well, it's gonna be very interesting. So stay tuned with my video. Well, it's gonna be a little bit longer, so get some food on your hands and grab some cold drinks to enjoy this video. Okay, so let's get started. Well, at first I just wanted to say that I was very you know very underconfident to make this video because I used to feel that my room is not good as other girls has, like many girls has. So I was feeling like maybe I should not make this video, but then I just think like whatever I have, I should proud of that, and whatever my parents has provided me, it's incredible. They did a lot for me, and they are still giving me many opportunities. I am really privileged to have such parents like my parents. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, I wanted to show my bed. Okay, but because of the lighting, it's difficult for you to get the real vision. Okay, so let me just adjust the lighting. Okay, so then I decided to record this video on natural lighting because I think naturally the best lighting to show you the exact my bed how it looks like. So it has that bed robe which I have bought from Flipkart. Okay, so the products I have bought, I'll mention this in another video. I'm just showing you what I actually added in my bed, my comfy like area of my room. Okay, so just let me show you. So here is my bed robe, sorry, bed robe. I'm saying robe. It was wrong. So I was reading this book. This is Mirabel India by Satish Chandra. So I was reading this book, so I just put it here. So just give it aside. Then I have few beautiful, cute cushions, and I love them so much. Well, this lighting is not looking good that much. Okay, so here is it. Okay, so this is my favorite like flamingo printed cushion. Then I have this pillows, like it's like hot pink pillows. Okay, so just let's move on to other side of my room. So this is the best and beautiful part of my wall because I have decorated this wall with a wallpaper and some posters. Well, I really genuinely love this portion of my wall and it's so beautiful. And these are the like curtains. It's like off-white curtain, and I also have the same curtain other side of my room so that I can cover the windows, but I need the sunlight. So but I think this color is really great to get the perfect sunlight. Let's move to the other side. Okay, so here I also have some posters. Okay, let me just zoom it out for you. Yes, so these are the posters, and the top one is my favorite, that jacket one. Yes, and here I have my sofa. So there is a laptop bag, or you can say office bag, where I put my laptop. And here I have few books which I need like every single time on my hand. And so these are all the stuffs. Let me show you my laptop because it looks so beautiful after decorating it. So here is my laptop. This is the HP one. I have another laptop. Well, I'll show you to you in few minutes. So this corner of my room, I have an old TV. I cannot put it somewhere in my room because my mom wanted to be here because it's her wedding gift from my grandparents. Okay, so there is some peanut butter biscuits, my cups, and my electric kettle, so that I can get my snacks ready on my hand. So I don't need to go to kitchen to get my snacks. And here I have like few couplets and some spices, because that black pepper and cinnamon powder, they are like needed in at least at this time of point, because of the COVID. I need them in my warm water. Okay, so here is a tower of books. Well, I have many books over here. Okay, let me show you those books, otherwise many people will comment which books. So this is Indian Economy by Ramesh Singh. Here is a grammar book for my essay writings and other stuffs I needed. And there is Ancient Medieval India. I really don't use this book right now, but a few days ago I was writing this and I need some, so I use that book. And here's another Indian economy book, and here's another modern India book. Okay, so I have many writers like history books, economics books, because I love to read them. So I actually get this. So here is some of my skincare products. Like many, like not some, like it has a huge, like amount of skincare products my table has. Okay, so I have put like lot of skincare products. There's face wash, my go skincare products, and this mini bag has my makeup products, day to day basis makeup products. So I just keep this here. And here's my water bottle, because water is really needed. It's, you should hydrate your body. And there's a Sarekama Karva, which is the most favorite product of my life, because I love to listen musics. Okay, so next, this part of my room is really favorite. So this is a mirror. This is me. This is myself on the mirror. Okay, I really don't want to open it because it's quite messy, but I try to keep it as organized as possible. Okay, so in 3 count I'm gonna open it, but then I'm gonna just close it up, and because I don't want to show my mess. Okay, so okay, 1 2 3. So here is my closet. Well, let's just close it up because it's messy. Okay, so here I have few clothes, and here I have my bag collection. Well, I'll make a separate video on my bag collection, so wait for that. Okay, this is the closet, and I have bought a new bag, and this is super beautiful because I really love this bag. Here is this bag. It's super beautiful. I really love it. So I'll talk about it in another video, where I bought it, how much it cost, where I can get this cheaper one. So this area carry my many shoes. Well, I don't have a huge collection of shoes, but yes, I have a little bit of collection. So here I put my many shoes. I just cover it up with newspaper so that it not get dirty. And here is my yoga mat. Okay, so here is nothing much to show you. I have just a whiteboard where it has written, don't waste your time, keep working hard on your dreams, and blah blah blah. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so it's just, and I have few medicines, and my go bags are over here. Nothing much. And this wardrobe has not many important things. It has like my sweaters and all this kind of stuff. Okay, so here is another balcony over here. So I spend a couple of my time over here. And let's move on to my gym setup, which is the interesting part. And I know many of my friends waiting for this gym setup. Okay, let me show you. So, well, here is a barbell, and it has 2 kg weights. It is my dumbbell. This is the heaviest dumbbell I have. And this is another dumbbell. This one is my beginner dumbbell. It is around 4 kg. Let me check. Yeah, it is 4 kg, 4 kg and 4 kg. So here is I have a different gym setup. but my sister has took it for me, so she has another gym setup and my mom has another gym setup in her room. So we all have different gym setups because we work out in in the same time or maybe sometimes in a different times, but yes, we need separate gym setups for each and everyone. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I am quite active there. And apart from that, please you know support my channel because I really need your support to grow my channel, and share this video with your friends as much as you can. And yeah, I was really upset because my channel was not working that much and I was not getting that much video views, so because of that reason I stopped uploading videos, and I'm really sorry for that. I'll be consistent as much as I can because I have to balance up every single thing. So please support my channel so that I could get motivation to make more and more such videos. And that's it for today. Hope you see you like this video, and I'll see you next video. Tab tak ke liye, bye, ta-da. See you next video.